Lads and ladies, I'm Smitty K.
And I'm Sky.
And these are aloe vera plants.
Mostly.
Here's the thing though, they're like kinda overgrown right now.
Yeah, kinda.
Matilda can't even stand up on her own anymore.
Why stand though when you can hang?
We're talking Aloe Vera Succulents.
That's ridiculous.
No man, it's fucking cool.
Crazy fucking cool.
Alrighty lads and ladies, the tools we are going to need for this project are some baking sheets,
A razor blade.
a coconut fiber basket liner,
Clean, sharp, really nice scissors.
some more scissors that are clean, not as sharp, but they're bubblegum as and they look really cool.
Some macrame cord.
Some expertly crafted, freaky cool polymer clay homemade beads.
And of course, some fucking burlap.
This burlap sucks. It's like see-through. Try again. Jesus, was that a fucking niffler?
Yeah?
Nice.
Nice.
I'll give you a break because like this is your second video with magic paintbrush, but you need some practice.
Anyway, let's get to it.
Really though.
First, we gotta get these leggy lavish bitches out of their pots. We're gonna be super careful not to disturb their roots any more than necessary, especially since the soil in their containers is not bone dry, but also especially since we're not doing this in the growing season. We're doing it in the heart of a harsh, brutal winter, and it'll be a couple of months before any of these plants are ready to send out new roots. For Matilda, that's especially going to be a problem, just because of the shape of her pot. Also though, because we gotta steal her wee little budding babies. I know it seems mean right now, but you'll understand later.
We'll tell you when you're older.
Jesus. Next, we're gonna use our interesting collection of scissors to cut up the cocoa peat basket liner. We're gonna need 3 pieces for this project. Also, we need 3 sheets of burlap. Since this burlap kind of sucks though,
Hey!
we're gonna cut 6 sheets. Next, with a dusting of fresh cactus mix, we're gonna wrap it all up, using the cocoa liner first, then the burlap, and then the macrame cord. After that, we're going to adorn the loose ends of the macrame cord with the non-optional beads.
Non-optional, my ass.
Also, we got to be super extra careful not to crack any of their stems. Like, I'm not going to give you the certain death guarantee if that happens, but outside the growing season, it would probably be kind of hard for the leggy pokey pirises to recover. And we got enough of that going on as it is.
Just ask Shadow Mantis.
Really?
Last, we're going to use more macrame cord to make some loops. And super last, we're gonna hang them up. Alrighty, now that these plump and pokey goddesses have been converted into air plants, let's talk care plans. We're not gonna get too specific though, since I fucking covered that shit already like 2 goddamn years ago. Like, I don't know, fucking pay attention, Jesus. But we are gonna talk about how we're gonna tweak their care just a little bit to tailor it to the fact that these are no longer regular aloes, but air aloes. Cause yeah, regular aloes need slightly different care.
Blah, blah, blah. Okay, get on with it.
Jesus.
He's salty because you didn't make him the macrame yet.
I'm working on it. I got a lot going on right now. I'm gonna go. For instance, when it comes to watering, we can't dump the water into the top of a container. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip the root ball into a little puddle of water.
Wow, science.
I don't know, we'll go over the specifics of that whole process in a YouTube short someday. But we're gonna wait a solid, I don't know, at least a month, maybe 6 weeks. I was kind of banking on the fact that the roots were bone dry right now, but as you saw earlier in the video, the root balls were moist. Okay. When it comes to soil, we did add some fresh cactus mix into each of their root pods before we bundled them up, and that'll have a little bit of fertilizer to hold them over until the growing season, but probably in April or May, we'll add a little bit of additional fertilizer. And for sunlight, we'll continue to keep them in a lot of bright, direct sunlight for now, though it will be very interesting to see how the three adapt to receiving sun on the underside of their leaves rather from directly above. Listen though, real quick, though Matilda has been named, her 3 babies have not yet been named, nor have the other 2 recently converted air plants seen hanging above us at this time. So if you want to name any one of these plants, be the first to leave a comment and we'll make it official and give you a shout out on Instagram.
Or DM us on Instagram and we'll take you directly.
Thanks, Yabonton Shark. Also, real quick, I probably should have told you this before, but joining us today, we have the Elusive Shadow Mantis,
Yes, so elusive.
Yabonton Shark,
What's up, guys?
and Gab Monster.
Smitty? Also, hey, why does Shadow Mantis get a suffix, bro? Where's mine?
Dude, it's because he's highly elusive, okay? Also, you're not ready for that right now.
Gab monsters should be the dearly departed.
No, maybe like the dearly beloved, but
Which stage of denial is that? Anyway.
do you like bad graffiti, worse jokes, wacky macrame, and pretty good advice about how to take care of your houseplants? Well then f***ing subscribe! Jesus!
Turn on channel notifications
Thanks,
too.
Yabonton Shark. That's right. Click that notification bell too so you never miss a new video. Smitty and Sky. No, wait, we're 1, 2, 3. Smitty and Sky out!
Yabo Shark out too.
Receiving sun on the underside of their
Don't
leaves
forget me, guys.
rather than directly above.
Guys?
Okay.
Who are you?